Dude, look at this. There's a war brig fucking enemy right now. Queen's Triumph. This is a new enemy. Dude. I've been waiting for brigs to get introduced in the games for enemy for a long time. My god. We killed them right there. So there's a new enemy. Queen's Triumph. It's a war brig. So it's not quite the ship of the line, but it's still like fucking really good. If I said I was hammered before, I'm really hammered now. But we're still doing it. Battle Royale. Here we go. I can still aim cannon when I'm drunk. I'm gonna upload 2 videos for you today. Even though I'm only getting like 25 FPS right now. We got 2. We got a decent load. It's so interesting to see a war brig as an enemy now. Like, oh my god. And it's a warship too. I'm drunk. We're doing a mat run right now, and that's what's up. I'm gonna see you later. Peace.